Welcome back, Blue Train, and how was that ride? Awesome, now please start unbuckling your seatbelts. Unbuckle, and go to the right of the exit gate. Enjoy the rest of the day here at Cedar Point. Thank you. New riders, please move all the way through the gates, all the way through the gates. Okay. So please move all the way through quickly. All the way through. Or stop back, because the gates are closing. Phones, wallets, keys must go on the zipper pouches right in front of your knees. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's up.
All clear.
All we'll be moving out of here, so please sit on back and enjoy your ride on the Magnum XL-200. Have fun. Have fun, Jesse.
Thank you. I can understand him.
Yeah. Well, she is in the most intense seat, though.
Now please start unbuckling your seatbelts. Unbuckle, and go to the right of the exit gate. Enjoy the rest of the day here at Cedar Point.
All right, that's good advice about pulling down. Yeah,
New riders, please
helps a lot.
move all the way through the